Here we are 1 year on from the BBC One show competition that resulted in this community garden here at Forgeside Rugby Club.
Hi, I'm Victoria Wade. I'm the garden designer for the Forgeside RFC community garden that the RHS sponsored this time last year. It's so lovely to be back on the lead up to Garden Day. It's just so wonderful to see how much the community have really taken ownership of this space and have really started developing it and making it their own, which is exactly what we wanted.
It's been fabulous having the community garden here. The community have now got somewhere where they can come and grow fresh fruit and veg and meet and relax, listen to the birds sing and might read a book.
So we've got some really gorgeous plants today to plant in our Coronation Container. We're actually using an old coal cart from Big Pit, which they've very kindly donated. So it's really exciting to have something with a really important industrial heritage that links back to the roots of this garden. Try and grab a side each. We've got a gorgeous Amelanchier tree which will give amazing blossom in the spring. We've also got some gorgeous geums which the local kids from the school are hopefully going to give us a hand to plant now. We've got two varieties. We've got Totally Tangerine, which is a lovely orange, and we've got Scarlet Tempest, which is a sort of reddy tone, which we thought would be a nice nod to Charles being the longest serving Prince of Wales. That's the beauty of nice compost like this. It's nice and easy to dig. So if you tip it to the side, that's it, and then it should wiggle itself out nicely. Look at all those lovely roots. That's it, pop them in then. It's amazing, it's made a difference already, isn't it? It looks really pretty.
The Coronation Container that we planted today is come from Big Pit. It's worked underground from 1950 to 1970, and it's a good way to sort of mark the occasion of King Charles' coronation. It's really good to get sort of everybody behind to mark the occasion, and what's been planted in there, you know, will grow on year after year. It will be a focal point for the local community.
So we hope to see many more communities being inspired by this garden and gardens like it to get outside during this week, which is National Gardening Week, to create their own containers, their own coronation containers, to celebrate this momentous event.